Right, so we've just turned up on site. Here we have a customer's outbuilding. What he's done is he's put a massive bit of glass there to picture frame a beautiful GT2 RS, but the only thing it's missing is the floor. So George, let's get started. So that's it, all done at this property. I cannot wait to see the GT2 RS sitting on this beautiful floor.
Right, so we've just finished the vented installation. We're now en route to do a PVC tile installation, so stay tuned and we'll show you how we get on.